How to create not gonna lie link and put it in Facebook. So first off is go to Play Store, search for not gonna lie, and then install this application. Once installed, click open, tap the get started button found below, and then enter your IG username. But if you're not using Instagram, you can tap the arrow beside Instagram and it will show you more options, such as Twitter and Snapchat. Once you've entered your username, tap Done, and this prompt will appear, so just tap Allow. Now tap Copy Link, and then tap OK. Before I continue, you will notice on top is the word Inbox. So when you tap Inbox, it will direct you to the responses sent from your link. Moving on, open the Facebook application, then tap your profile picture, which is located on the upper right corner of your screen. Then tap your profile picture, which is below menu. Tap Edit Profile. Scroll down to the bottom to see the section Links. Tap Add. Now under Websites, tap the text box and paste the link. And then hit Save, which is found on the upper right corner. Now when you visit your profile page, you will see under Details is the link of your Not Gonna Lie. So you can take a screenshot of this and post it in your story to notify your Facebook friends about your Not Gonna Lie link. And so that is how you create Not Gonna Lie link and put it in Facebook. Thank you and have a great day.